Hello children, welcome to Melu classroom. How are you all doing today? Hope you are doing wonderful and happy. Wow, that's looking great. Now children, shall we start our class with a rhyme? Okay, today we will do the rhyme with our hands. Okay, come on, start. Clap your hands, clap, clap, clap. Roll your hands, roll, roll, roll. Wave your hands, wave, wave, wave. Snap your fingers, snap, snap, snap. Rub your hands, rub, rub, rub. Touch your eyes, touch, touch, touch. Wow, closing eyes feels very good. Yes, now take deep breath. Yes, breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Again, rub your hands. Touch your eyes. Very good. Are you all feeling pleased? Wow, that's great. Now, shall we go into our story time? Come on, welcome our story with claps. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Now we will start the story time. Okay, children. Now we are going to call our story with claps. Clap, clap, clap. Let us start the story. Okay. Once upon a time, in a village, there is a small hut. The hut is covered with top hay. Okay. One day, what happened? The hen and the hare are playing. They are playing. The hen is playing and the hare is hopping. The two are playing. Suddenly the hen got hurt. Oh no! Then the hare fast ran and she pressed the horn to call someone. Please help me. My friend is hurt. Please help me. Then after hare has pressed the horn, who came? The hero, the horse came and helped the hen. So they are very happy and they presented a hat to the horse and they have presented the hat to the hen and they started playing happily. Wow, very good. So children, we need to help others when they are in need. Okay? Good, very good. Today we learn the story of hen, hare and a horse who help together. Okay? Now children, tell me what is covered. Now children, tell me what is the hut covered with? With what material? Yes, it's hay. It's a dry gas. It's a hay. It's a dry grass. Okay. And even animals eat it as a food. And who are the two friends? Hen and hare. They two are two good friends. What are they doing? They are playing and they are hopping. And what did the hare press? Yes, the hare pressed the horn. Poi, 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 poi. So, the horse thought somebody is in danger and the horse came running and helped hen. And what did they present? Yes, they present a hat to the horse and horse went happily. And what did they do? What did they do too? Yes, they played happily. Very good. So, Now tell me children, what are the words in our story? Yes, hut, hay. What is this? Hen, hare, horn, horse, hat. See, hat. This is hat. This all started with the sound. Yes, they all started with the sound. They all started with the sound. Yes, it's a phonic sound for letter H. It's a phonic sound for the letter H. And what is the sound of letter H? Yes. Shall we sing the phonic song? Yes. Helicopter whirring, ha ha ha, is the sound for the letter H. See, you need to blow the air. Hat, horn, hare, happy, horse, hut, hay. These all the words which starts with the sound and letter H. Shall we go and see some more words? Yes, before that shall we trace? Come on. Children, now we will look into our letter H. Okay? This is our letter H. And the phonic sound is ha. Yes. Helicopter whirring. Ha, ha. Ha is the sound for letter H. Very good. Now we will see this is our uppercase H and this is our lowercase h. Uppercase H, lowercase h. Come on, shall we try to trace with our fingers? Come on, take your 2 fingers, children. Come on, show your fingers. Very good. I can see your fingers. Very good, very good. Now, can you see my fingers? Come on. Trace. How we will trace? Keep your 2 fingers and do from top to bottom. Straight line from top to bottom. And again, parallel. One more straight line from top to bottom. And a sleeping line in the middle. This is our uppercase H. Okay, shall we do it again? Are you ready? Come on, take your 2 fingers and top to bottom, straight line. Go top and parallel. One more. Yes, one more straight line from top to bottom and a sleeping line in the middle. This is our uppercase H. And then what is our lowercase h? Yes, this is our lowercase h. Come on, do it. Straight line from top to bottom and go to the middle, round above and go to bottom. Okay? You should not join it. You should leave it in the bottom. Okay? Come on. Straight line. Go to the middle. Around and go to bottom. This is our lowercase h. Okay? Okay, good. Now children, let us see some other words which starts with the sound ha and letter h. Okay? Come on. Come on children. Take your 2 fingers and we will trace on letter H here. Come on. Straight line from top to bottom. One more straight line. And middle line joining the 2 lines. Sleeping line. This is our capital H. And shall we do for the small? Yes. Straight line from top to bottom. Go to the middle and around and go to the bottom. Okay, this is our lowercase h. Uppercase h, lowercase h. Children, did you all do with your fingers? Very good. Now, let us see some words with children. Now, let us see some words which starts with the sound ha and letter h. What is this? Hay. We have seen hay. It's a dry grass. It's used as a roof. And hen. It's a bird. You know hen? Yes. And horse. Yes, hero who helped our hen. Horse. This is hare. Now shall we read out our silly sentence? The hare and horse ate hay and met hen. What did the hare and horse do? They ate. I told even animals eat it. The hare and horse ate hay and met hen. Hare, horse, hay, hen. These are all the words which starts with the sound ha and letter h. So now we will see some other words which starts with the h word, h letter. What is this? Now we will see some other words which starts with the h letter and ha sound. Hop. What the hare do? Hop, hop, hop. And what did they have? Hat. They presented horse hat. And where did they stay? They stayed opposite to the hut. And horn. What is this? Horn. Boy, boy. And what happened to the hen? Hurt. Hop, hat, hut, horn, hurt. These are all the words which starts with the sound ha and letter h. Very good. So children, now let us do writing on our panel board. Start. Now children, shall we try to write? Come on, hold on your pencil and try to write H. What I told you, straight line from top to bottom and one more straight line from top to bottom and a sleeping line joining the two straight lines. This is our uppercase H. Shall we write one more time? Come on. Straight line and sleeping line in the middle joining the two straight lines. This is our capital H. Straight line and sleeping line joining the two straight lines. This is our capital H. Okay. Now straight line. Okay. Now children, did you all write our capital H, uppercase H, straight line and sleeping line joining the two straight lines? Very good. Now are you all ready to write the lowercase h? Come on. Straight line. Okay. Go to the middle and roundabout and come to the bottom. This is our lowercase h. Horse. Yes, H. Straight line and go to the middle and roundabout to the bottom. Straight line, go to the middle and roundabout to the bottom. This is our lowercase h. Children, did you all write? Come on, show me. Yes, very good. This is our lowercase h. Uppercase h, lowercase h. Very good. Good job. Did you all complete it? Very good. Now tell me, what are these? What are these? Yes, hands. These are our hands. And we can clap with our hands. These are our hands. And even hand starts with the sound. Yes, H, hands. And when you do good job, what Mama will do? Mama hugs you with love. What is the hug? Yes, it also starts with the sound ha and letter H. And now tell me, what is the transport which flies in the air? Yes, helicopter. It also starts with the sound ha and letter H. Very good, very good. Good job. Now see the round around you and find the objects which starts with the sound ha. Okay? Can you tell me any other thing? Come on. Come on, tell me. Oh, you also got hat. Yes, hat. Very good. Now are you all ready to make a hat? Yes, we make hat with hay. What else we need? I will let you know. Okay? Now children, before going into our activity, shall we write H in our salt tray? Come on, take your finger and trace it. Straight line from top to bottom. One more straight line from top to bottom. Join both the straight lines with the sleeping line. This is our uppercase H. Okay. Now we will do one more time. Straight line top to bottom. Straight line top to bottom and sleeping line joining both the straight lines. This is our capital H. And now we will see our lowercase h. Straight line, go to the middle and around to the bottom. This is our lowercase h. Straight line, go to the middle and round about to the bottom. This is our lowercase h. Okay, lowercase h, uppercase h. Now are you all ready to do hat? It's very simple. You can take a paper cup of big size or a small size. You need one circle template and you need to cut in the middle, okay, until the midpoint. And take the help of your mama or papa and you need hay, okay. What you
లోపల పెట్టిన గడ్డి కప్పు అక్కడ ఉంచండి చూపించండి అది చూపించారు కదా అది చూపించండి అక్కడ ఈ కప్పు పైన పెట్టండి ప్లస్ చెప్పుకుంటూ ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేసి మేడం చెప్పండి.
Now children, what you need is a cup, a small cup or a big cup and a circle template which has a cut in the middle and hay. Okay, this is our material needed to make hat. Okay, now what you need to do is you can decorate with whatever designs. Either you can paint with the paint also. You can just put the dots, whatever you want, you can do. Okay, and just what else you need? I told you we need a circle cut in the middle from outer to inner. Okay, did you get it? Now just do the fold like this. Okay, see? Just apply the glue. Apply the glue and do it. Okay. Wow, the roof is ready. Now, what else we need? Just apply as a border to the glass or cup, whatever you take, and just keep it as a roof. And you want our roof to be with hay. Come on, we apply a little bit of glue to it and we will put some hay on it. Okay? You can keep hay, you can cover it with the jute. Whatever you have, you can do it. Okay? Take a little Fevicol, apply on the roof and decorate it with the hay. Cover it with the hay, or you can even cover it with the jute. You can cover it with the paper. Do it slowly. Okay. What we need is, we need a cup and you can decorate the door and all. Then you need a circle template. Okay. And you need to cut in the from outer to inner middle part. Do it like this and you can get the roof. Okay. See how beautiful our hut is looking? Wow. Very good. So, children, did you all do? Hope children, you all enjoyed doing hut covered with hay. Did you all do it? Did you all enjoy it? Try to do it slowly. Okay? Very good. Now children, tell me, what is the animal which helped the hen? Yes, it's horse. And what is this? Yes, it's hut covered with hay. And what is this? Poi poi. Yes, horn. Hen. Wow. What is this? Hey, very good. And what is this? Yeah, it's a hat. And can you tell me what is the color of it? Yes, it's orange color. And horse. And what are these? Our two hands. This all starts with the sound ha and letter H. And this is our uppercase H and lowercase h. Children, please keep practicing and see the objects around you which starts with the sound ha and letter H. Okay? And be happy. Okay, hope you all enjoyed this session. Bye bye. See you in your next class. Bye.